Setting up automatic payments for your Medicare plan premium can help ensure your payments are made on time each month. You'll save time and won't have to worry about mail delays or lost checks. So let's log in to mybcbsri.com and get started. Enter in your username and password and click the login button. For a secure login, you may need to request a one-time password. Do this by entering either the email address or phone number that's on your account. Then click Send OTP. Enter in your one-time password and click Validate. To have your monthly premium payment automatically deducted from your Social Security benefit, use the inbox icon to send us a secure message. Select Write New Message, choose Premium Billing from the subject drop-down, and in the description, type, "I would like to have my Medicare plan premium automatically deducted from my Social Security benefit. Please contact me to set this up." When you're all set, click Send. A member of our team will respond to your message in the My BCBSRI portal within 24 to 48 hours. Please be sure to log back in and look for our response. If you prefer to have automatic monthly withdrawals from your bank account, go to the self-service menu and select Billing Center. You'll now see a drop-down menu to view payment options. Select Repeating Payments and click Enroll. Here's where you'll enter your banking information. First, click Manage Payment Methods, then add a bank account. Enter your information and click Continue. Once your payment method is set, return to the main menu and select Set Up Autopay. Now you can choose how you'd like to pay your premium. Your newly added payment method will be available to select as a funding account. When you filled everything in, select Continue. You'll then be prompted to review and confirm your autopay information. Please note that it may take 1 to 2 business days for your first payment to post. If you prefer to make a one-time payment each month, you can select Bank Account, Credit Card, or Mail from the Payment Options drop-down and follow the directions displayed on your screen. If you need additional help setting up autopay, please call our Medicare Concierge team at 401-277-2958